All right. So these are pretty cool finds on a lot. Tell there was a house here because there's a wall, an old rock wall, and a driveway. And this lot's wide open. That's not that old, but that's a teens, 20s house. And right here in the hole, way down there under some rocks, is round in the hole. So, pretty exciting to find these. Starting to find more and more of them. But, man, I dinged it. Fuck. God damn it. That is a really cool pocket watch. That's silver, folks. There's the insides. It's still heavy. That's a bummer. It's still got the facade on it. Try to clean it up.